Hello friends, here I am. I've reached Redditch. Had a beautiful journey here. Had a nice coffee from Costa. My mate Matt, my brother, my partner, he's recording me right now. He's my cameraman for today, so he's behind the scenes. So this is, I've started from upstairs. I'm doing upside down today, yeah. So this is bedroom number, let's call it bedroom number 1, but it's bedroom number 5 really. So this is upstairs, bedroom number 5. So what we have done is we have sourced this property for two of our investors from London. This is not my property, not Matt's property. So we found the property for the investors. We're managing the whole project for them. So we sourced it, we're managing it, and we're gonna give them the keys once it's finished. Yeah. So they're gonna we've turned this 3-bedroom property into 5-bedroom HMO for them, and they're gonna give it to social housing, and they're gonna make their money. Bare monies, bro, bare monies. You can do that too, but you need to link up with me and Matt. Otherwise, you could try yourself. I'm sure you'll succeed, but if you're with us, success will be a lot quicker. Okay? So if you work hard, you can succeed by yourself. Let me show you the rest of the house. Alright, look. Storage, number 1. Matt loves storage. Storage number 2. Matt loves storage. So this is the master bedroom. So this will be like, let's just say this is bedroom number 4 upstairs. I'm going backwards, remember. And storage number 3. So lots of storage. Put whatever you want in there. More storage in the form of fitted wardrobes. Yeah. So let's go to bedroom number 3. This is bedroom number 3, Matt. Show them the bedroom, please. So right now, all the electric works are going on. I found somebody here. Best electrician, guys, in Birmingham.
Thank you.
Okay, make sure you use him. Paddy, what's your company name?
Big Boss Construction.
Big Boss, bro. This is the Big Boss. Matt, you're not the boss anymore. Big Boss electrician, yeah? Make sure you use them, bro.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, and then we got bathroom upstairs, guys. I'm gonna charge you for that, bro. Just advertise you. So yeah, bathroom there. So let's go downstairs. Get out of all this noise now. Matt, watch your step on the carpet. So like I said, we're going backwards. So what we've done here downstairs. Excuse the noise, people. I forgot my mic today. So what we've done, this was a large living area downstairs, yeah. It was all one. So what we've done is we put a partition here. Obviously putting insulation in there as well for soundproofing. We have soundproofing with that. So this is going to be a bedroom. So this is bedroom number 2, going backwards. And so we created an extra room for them. So 3-bed house turned into 5-bed house. And this is bedroom number 1. This is just a part of that front room again. Yeah. And behind Matt, there's a kitchen there. Matt, show them the kitchen, please. We have not touched this kitchen at all. It's we have left it as it is. Obviously, we'll clean it up and do it up nicely. It's not too bad, all the units and that. And then obviously, this property is not mine or Matt's. This is investor's property. So we sourced it for the investor. We're hang on before I go any further. Matt, is the light good on my face, bro?
Yeah.
Am I here okay?
Yeah, your hair's
I think
alright.
we'll go in the other room. The light is better there.
No, I think
Come
it's
on, guys,
alright.
follow me. This is not good. Oh gosh, where? Come on, people. We're going this way. This is much better. You can see me here, right? So yeah. So we sourced the property for our investors, 2 investors from London, and they wanted us to source a property here in Redditch for them, and they wanted to create a 3-bed house into 5-bed house for Seiko. So they're gonna give it to Seiko for social housing, and the requirements were bare minimum. So obviously, as you know, my own pattern, my own design is big house, all ensuite, but theirs is different. Their requirements were different, so we sourced a property for them according to their requirements. Matt done most of the work. What did I do, Matt?
You came in today.
I came in. This is second time, third time, bro. Yeah, this is third time here, but Matt's been looking over this project for us, which is I'm grateful to him. He's a gem of a guy. Doesn't let me do any work, so it's all good, you know what I mean? Money for free, yeah. So, that was the requirement. So we went ahead and we found it for them guys, and now Seiko has approved. Obviously, they're gonna come in and they're gonna do the snagging. They're gonna look at all the work which has been created. But my builders right now are working on this house. My builder's not here, by the way, so I'm gonna ring him and kick his butt in a second. Yeah. The electrician said he's going to get some materials, but we don't know yet. I'll ring him. He's a good guy though. And so yeah, like the video, man. Subscribe to the channel, and let's do one of these together if you want. Boom.